With this portable shower, you can have running water anywhere, regardless if it's for work, play, or emergencies. In this video, I want to go through what comes with this shower, as well as show you how easy it is to use and set up. But before I do, I would like to thank the company for gifting me this shower in order to do this review. So me and my husband love to camp. Only problem is that before we got this portable shower, we had no real good way to do simple things like take a shower, clean our campsite, or even just wash our dog's paws before they got in the tent with us at night. But what I would like to do now is go ahead and show you the unboxing with everything that this thing comes with and give you a brief demonstration on how to use it. So out of the box, you get a set of instructions, 2 batteries, you get the hose with the pump, you get the 5-gallon jug. Inside the jug, you have a mesh bag, and you get the shower head itself with the charging cable, extra O-rings, and a shower hook. What's nice about the mesh bag is that it attaches to the water jug directly, and it's very easy to do. You got these little slots that you put the Velcro straps through. And the mesh bag is large enough to store everything that comes with the portable shower, with a special pocket that holds the batteries. It's important to know that the batteries are only water resistant. You can't submerge them in water. Setting up the portable shower is super easy. You're going to attach the shower head to the hose, and then from there you're going to fill the jug with water. Once you have your jug filled up with water, you're going to put the cap on the side that you put the water in, and then you're going to open up the smaller side, which is where you're going to put your pump. There is a red line that you want to make sure that's where the cap is located, and then you have a secondary cap that just seals it all in place. The battery attaches to the hose, and then you take the power cable that runs from the pump and attach it to the battery. From there, you just power on the battery with this button here, and the power button will turn blue. The shower head has 2 modes. It has on and off, which you control by a short press of the button, or you can do continuous by flipping the nozzle handle up and back. One of my favorite features, though, is this mesh bag. It really does a good job of keeping everything together, making this shower super portable. And the shower hook that comes with this set is also very nice because you can attach the shower head to anything like a tree branch. That way you can wash or shower hands-free. And with the 2 rechargeable batteries that are included with this set, you can use this portable shower for up to 100 minutes, giving you plenty of time to wash or shower. As you can see, this portable shower comes with everything you need, and it's super easy to use. You will not see me going out into the woods without it. So if you are looking for a portable shower, I highly recommend this one, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.